Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Seed Airdrop Alert. Don't miss your final chance to claim $SED tokens. The countdown is on. The Seed community is buzzing with excitement as we approach the final stage of the Seed Airdrop. With the distribution phase almost complete, all eyes are on the highly anticipated $SED token listing. But there's no time to waste. The clock is ticking, and the last opportunity to claim your tokens is here. Last call, claim your Seed Airdrop tokens. The Seed Go team has made it clear, there's just one final step left to secure your airdrop tokens. If you're part of the Seed family, now's the time to double-check that your eligibility is in order. How to confirm your eligibility? Head over to t.me/seed_coin_bot. Tap the airdrop button. Connect or verify your TON wallet. It's a quick and easy task, but essential to ensure your $SED allocation. If you've already connected your wallet, a quick double-check is all you need. Don't let this final step slip by. The buzz around the $SED listing date. As the Seed Airdrop nears its end, all eyes are turning to the big question: when will $SED be listed? While KuCoin has already confirmed the token's listing, the exact date remains a mystery. This has sparked some serious speculation. Could $SED make its way onto Binance or other major exchanges? Earlier this year, the Seed Go team hinted that the listing would take place sometime between January and February 2025. With January now behind us, the expectation is that the official listing announcement could come any day now, and many are hoping to see it by the end of February. Behind the scenes, final preparations are underway, including exchange approvals and technical integrations. Seed's growth strategy. What's next? The excitement around the Seed Airdrop isn't just about the listing. It's about the future of the entire Seed ecosystem. The Seed Go team has designed a transparent and sustainable token distribution model that supports long-term growth. Here's the breakdown. 62% goes toward community rewards. Think play-to-earn incentives, engagement-driven events, and more. 15% is set aside for strategic investors to help secure key partnerships. The remaining tokens will be used for development, marketing, and ensuring liquidity on exchanges. This thoughtful distribution plan is already fueling strong community engagement, and as we get closer to the $SED listing, the project is primed for explosive growth. Time's almost up. Check your wallet. As the finish line approaches, this is your final reminder to confirm your eligibility for the Seed Airdrop.